everyone, good morning. Liliana from Vanilla Canela here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a day in the life for you. You guys are a little bit wonky, let me see. Better. So I've just filmed for you guys my morning, not routine, but what I've been doing anyway this morning. And I am about to get ready to go to work, because it's already gone 11 o'clock and I still need to get Alex's lunch ready. So spend the day with me. I hope you enjoy it. See you in a bit. So I'm just back from work. I've changed back into my summer dress because it's so warm, and I'm cooking up some of that chicken that you guys saw me prep this morning. I'm just going to put it in the middle of bread and then relax. But I wanted to show you something that Paul left me. We tend to leave each other messages because I miss him at lunchtime, so I'll leave him a message saying your lunch is ready, it's here, or little messages. Let me show you an example. So this is a message that I left Paul a few days ago. It's this kind of thing. There's rice with fish in the fridge if you're hungry, see you when I get back. And then he'll leave me a message back. But today I didn't leave him any message, and I got home to this message. Hey you, why no message? Lol. I hope you're having a good day. We'll be off on Friday. Love you, Paul. P.S. Lovely cakes. He is just so sweet. He is just like the sweetest man in the whole world. I love him. But it made me giggle on my own. It's just little messages, Anyway, I'm going to have some lunch and I'll see you guys in a bit. Here we are. No salad to add, so it looks delicious. It smells amazing as well. Hey, so I thought I'd have a quick chat with you guys, or ladies, with you ladies. Before Alex is due home in about half an hour. My friend's picking him up. I did yesterday, so she's doing today and I'll do tomorrow. And I just thought I'd have a quick catch up, tell you what's happening or what not happening. So we still haven't had a date for the move. We have had it confirmed that we are moving for sure. So it is literally a matter of exactly when. Because basically, I don't know if you guys are not military or don't have any background into how it works. We need a posting order, and that order will give us a number, and with that number we can apply for housing, for removals. And by the way, I think you guys have asked me this. I do not pack up my own house. The packers come and pack everything. I literally pack items that I don't want them to touch, like my knickers and things like that, and I then get any documents that I need to keep with me. I pack that stuff and my jewelry, that kind of stuff. But everything else, they'll come in and just spend the whole day packing. They do not unpack. They literally dump the boxes in the house, and sometimes we're lucky that we can direct them and say, those boxes go upstairs, these go downstairs, those go in the kitchen. But we'll literally be living amongst boxes for like a few weeks. So, but you'll see all of that. Without this number, we cannot apply for a house, like I said, which also means without an address, I can't apply for Alex's new school either. So there's like loads of things that I can do once I have this number, that then will set everything into motion. We get, like I said to you guys before, 90 days to move. So say if we got that notice today, Paul's new job will start 90 days from today, if that makes sense. So we have to move and get settled before those 90 days, if that makes sense. I hope it does. But leave me any questions that you guys have. So you have also asked me if I know where I'm moving to. Yes, I do. I can't really share that information with you guys. I have mentioned this before, I think, but if not, I've commented to different people. Because for security reasons, if you bear in mind, like if I say to you, let me give you an example. If I say to you, I am moving to let's say to Norfolk. Okay, there is only one base in Norfolk. It's Marham. So if I say I'm moving to Norfolk, you will know that I'm moving to Marham. Now, I know most of you have great intentions, and I don't doubt that. But for security reasons, I can't share that with you, if that makes sense. Especially if we're living outside the wire. You know, again, let's give you the example of Marham. If I said to you, I'm moving to Marham, and one of the people watching had ill intentions toward the military, they would just drive up to Marham and just wait around, and they'll see me, you know, eventually, because it's not that big of a place. You know, they know that I have a child in school, so all they have to do is go to the school and then follow me home. I hope that makes sense to you guys. I hate being like this, and it never used to be like this. I used to be quite open that I am a military wife and where I live, and you know, I always felt safe. But these days you really can't do that. So I won't be able to tell you where I am, but I am still going to be in England. So, but don't worry, I do know where I'm going, and I'm happy about it. So that's that. What else? Let me see. Is there anything else I want to tell you guys? Oh yes, behind the scenes, and you guys don't know that, but behind the scenes, I am already looking at different decor, different things that I want to buy for the new house. One of the main things that I want to do is our bedroom. I would love to get a new bed and new bedside tables, but that's not on the cards. What I mean is the decor. So I want new art and new curtains and, you know, bits and bobs like that. So in my head, I'm thinking ahead for that as well. And the same, Alex's bedroom's going to pretty much stay the same. Depending on size, we might have to take things in and out. And that is the fun part for me, is that however I have this house set up, it will not be the same. You will see the sofa, you will see the pictures or the telly, but it will all have to be in different places because the houses will be shaped differently, the storage will be different. So I am always very excited about this time, you know, and it takes such a long time. And like I've mentioned to you guys before, I have in my head, I've already moved. I've already gone. You know, I have very little interest in doing anything to this house because there's no point. I'll be gone in less than 90 days potentially. So I know that on the decor front, things have been a little bit boring, but I'm sure you guys can understand why. So yeah, I just wanted to have a little catch up with you. I'm having a coffee before my little prince comes home. He should be really good. He was in good spirits. I saw him at lunchtime. If you are fairly new and you don't know this, I work at the school where Alex goes, so I get to see him like playing with his friends and having his lunch. So yeah, when he comes in, I might see if he wants to say hello. Though he always finds it really weird because it's like, I'm saying hello to the phone. So anyway, I better go. I've got another load of laundry to put outside, and I'm sure that all of it is dry. I don't know if you guys can see. It will all be like completely dry by now, which is great. And I might put it away, I might not. I'm not, to be honest, I'm not feeling in like super energetic mode. It's quite warm. If you know me, you know I hate when it gets too hot. So yeah, this little girl has just turned up. Hi Ethel. 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 What are you doing? So I'll see you guys in a bit. tonight's dinner is rice with chorizo and carrots and onions, and then some chicken which I marinated. If you want to see this recipe as a cook along, it will be in a vlog just gone, so you guys are seeing this on Sunday. It will be the vlog from Thursday, and I will link it above for you guys. So it's now after dinner. Alex has gone up to bed. Paul's reading him a story, and I thought I would end this vlog here. Just before I go, I would like to remind you, if you're new, to please subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell, because YouTube has been messing up a lot of stuff, and lately I've been told by some of you that excuse me, that you are not getting my videos on your feed, so you don't want to miss out. Thank you again for watching. See you next time. Bye.